Hi, I'm Nimi, the founder of the Blue Flag Project, and this is Nick, the inspiration and primary guinea pig for the shoe.
So Nimi was basically tired of me wearing either flip-flops or sneakers around all day, whether I was going to some fancy business meeting or some other nice occasion in the evening.
I looked all over, but I couldn't find shoes for him that were truly stylish and comfortable enough to wear all day. And I knew other guys must have the same problem. So we teamed up with experts in footwear to create Blue Flag, an entirely new category of sustainable shoe.
Sustainability is one of our core values, as every year, over 8 million metric tons of plastic is dumped into our oceans.
That's why we chose Blue Flag as our namesake, the international designation for a pristine beach.
After over a year of designing, prototyping, and testing, we're turning plastic into insanely comfortable, stylish loafers that you can wear everywhere.
Now, we invite you to join the Blue Flag family to help make one man's trash into your new favorite shoe. Together, we'll take plastic from the seabed to your footbed and beyond.